If you need to fold a mini zine and you haven't done so before, or you need a refresher, here is how you do it. I might have sent you one in the mail and it's just a flat piece of paper, or maybe you just printed it out, someone sent it to you. Okay, so it doesn't matter which side you start with. This is the side that's going to be the front for my zine. This is the inside of my zine. First, I'm going to fold it in half lengthwise and be very careful to match up the corners, because that will affect how the pages go together. So I match that corner and I kind of hold it where it is. And then I make sure this corner down here is also matched. And I hold it steady. And then I just fold it like that, and I'll use the back of my fingernail to make sure it's like a really great fold. Okay. Now I open it up again, and I'm going to fold it in half the other way, short way, hamburger way. And again, I'm really being careful to match the corners. I'm using my fingers as an edge guide here. So I put one finger on the edge of the bottom half of the paper, and then I scoot the top edge of the paper until I feel it against my finger and I see that the corners are matched up. And then I kind of brush out from that match to get the crease where I want it to be. All right, and then I open that up and I'm going to fold each side into the center. So I'm just folding to the center line that we just made. And for this, I'm going to match this crease to the center of where my creases intersect. And that is how I know it's definitely going to be the middle. So I do this, I like scooch it in till it's all the way matched up. I put a finger there to hold it down, and then I'm going to brush out and get that fold. Do it again on the other side. All right, so now that everything's folded, you're going to fold it in half that short way again, and then you're going to look for this crease that's down the middle, and where it intersects with this crease. So now I'm going to take a pair of scissors and I'm going to cut just from here to here. I'm not going to go any further than this crease. Okay. I'm cutting through both layers, and I want to be really careful at the end not to go too far. I just want to get right to that crease. Okay, excellent. And now I'm going to open up the zine. So you see it has like a little mouth now. And I'm going to fold it this way. And then these parts come out. And I imagine it all coming together like a flower here. And then I close the book. So I'm taking the left and right pages that have come together, and I'm closing them over the one that's facing me in the middle. So now I'm going to see my front cover and my back cover. I smooth it out, and then I fold the back cover in, and I want to get the pages to kind of line up here to make it nice. So I'm going to do this, kind of stack it against the table like I'm organizing a stack of papers. And then I'm going to hold all those edges together. I'm going to brush outwards again and get that really strong fold. And here we have our finished little zine. So now I see the front cover, my back cover, and all of the pages open nicely. And then when you want to see the inside, lift it up. And once you've folded it once, it's a lot easier to put it back together. It'll just find its way back to being a cute little book again. All right. If you ever have any questions about making a mini zine of your own, or you want to share one that you've made with me, please reach out. I would love to see it. And until then, I hope you enjoy and send a letter today.